Happy birthday, yeah. When I look straight into your heart, you know what I see. The kind of love I feel inside.
Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch this video. In case you are new to this channel, you're seeing my beautiful face for the very first time. Hello, my name is Rejoice, all the way from Ibadan, Nigeria. Please consider subscribing to this channel. You can do that right now. If you are new, please make sure you subscribe to this channel. It will go a long way for me. Like this video, share this video, and leave your comments at the comment section. Let me know what you think about this video after watching, okay? So guys, in today's video we will be visiting someone special. You know, she's a darling. I know some of you will be like, who are we talking about again? Don't worry, you'll get to see the person we are talking about. So right now we are on our way to, we are on our way to our place. Yeah, we just want to pay her a visit. You'll be like, who are we? I'm not alone now. Anyways, let's just go there and see what's gonna happen. My darling, my God, take me. Hey, will you marry me? Hey, T. Can you handle me? T.
A few moments later.
Okay. All right.
2 hours later.
After driving for like 2 hours? More than 2 hours, we just got to our place. This place is see, this Ibadan is just too big. Let me show you guys. Take a look. See this woman. She dey make herself. Oh God. Guys, this woman is living in a village. One of the village in Ibadan. This place is far, guys. Like, it's far. See my mouth. Far. Madam, the person where you call now. Juwe ona. Any bó ṣe wà yá ṣì mí sọnà. It's a lie, guys. This place is village. Matuti is living in village. I will tell the whole world. Like, guys, it's far, but it's a, you know her now. Oh yeah, pẹ̀lẹ́ o. Say hello now. Are you not angry? After traveling, I've traveled for 2 hours within Ibadan. You cannot disgrace me. I will not accept that. You are watching your weight. Seriously, me, I don't have any weight to watch, so I can chop anything, anywhere. Guys, I so much love this frame. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. Seriously, you need to go back to gym. Guess what? Matuti said she gonna buy me a car. This year, all of them, they are just promising me that I should not worry, that we'll have car. Oh yeah, please increase the volume. It's okay. You people, promise tele. But what is on the prayer?
Don't worry. In Jesus' name, God will do it.
Amen. Seriously, the video that I'll be posting today, Lovell said something that by the time she will be gifting me, that she wants to get me a car. Just imagine. Guys, this year 2021, we got to buy a car. Seriously.
Because we don't used to film you full. Let your people see you. See as Rejoice is looking hot. Okay, the last video you were cuckoo dancing. Oh wow.
life. I thought I'm alone. I didn't know that I'm not alone.
She's actually washing her weight.
She's watching her weight. Because this one. Auntie is watching her weight too. I'm understand.
Many hours later.
Now we want to be on our way after a lot of food. Right now, guys, I just want to go and sleep. See mommy Patuti. Mommy. The mommy that does not know how to describe. Guys, and this woman.
She does not know what. Let me tell you what rejoice is. She said, "I'm living village." I said, "Come to Oluyole." She went to Oluyole just.
And now, is it not Oluyole? Oluyole is Oluyole.
It's different. It's Oluyole.
Guys, I really had a beautiful time. We had a lovely time, which I really enjoyed. See, this place is actually beautiful, guys.
A few inches later.
See my life outside, though. I forgot my bag. Just imagine. Thank God that we've not moved so much. Like, I'm walking back now because we don't want to turn back. Yeah, so I have to walk back. Like, oh my God. Mommy is bringing my bag for me. Yeah, the sun is actually much. Oh my God. Báwo kí ni mo rò tí mo fi gbàgbé bag? Just imagine. Thank you so much. Give me my bag.
Just look at this one.
We are here and I'm waiting for the lift. Take a look. That's number 2 now. Guys, we came here to make inquiries. Money speaking. I'm here waiting. Hey God, this is 32 FM. Guys, it's actually rush hour here in Ibadan. Right now we are inside the hold up, but let me just show you guys before I end the video. Guys, just take a look. It's rush hour and we left Patuti's place so that we can thank you. Yeah, we left Patitu's place so that we can beat this rush hour when there's traffic. But it's so sad that we couldn't beat it very well. Like, there are some places that we're able to beat the hold up, but right now just take a look at this. Everything is just moving slowly. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed the day with me. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel if you are new. Before I get home, I have to get another food, you understand, so that I can eat. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.